Hello everyone, this is Fazal Rabi. Welcome to my YouTube English Learning channel. Today in grammar series we will talk about the methods, uses and techniques of preposition with. So let's get started. First, use of with. It is used to indicate being together or being involved. Let's make it clear with an example. I ordered a sandwich with a drink. Here, sandwich and drink is brought together by with. He was with his friend when he saw me. Here the pronoun he and noun friend being brought together by with. She has been working with her sister at the nail shop. Here pronoun she and sister have been involved in a work through with. The manager will be with you shortly. Here again the manager and pronoun you are brought together by with. Its second use, it used to indicate having. Let's elaborate it in examples. I met a guy with green eyes. Here with shows that a guy is having green eyes. Were you the one talking with an accent? You belongs to an accent indicated by with. People with lot of money are not always happy. A lot of money belongs to people, shown by with. Another use of with. It indicates using. For example, I wrote a letter with the pen you gave me. Here the subject wrote with pen. So with has been used for a usage of a thing. This is the soap that I made with rice and barley. Rice and barley has been used in making soap, indicated by with. He cut my hair with his gold scissors. Here for cutting the hair, the golden scissors has been used, denoted by with. Another use of with, it is also used to indicate feelings. For example, I am emailing you with my sincere apology. Feelings has been related by with in this sentence. He came to the front stage with confidence. His confidence has been related through with. It is used to indicate agreement or understandings. For example, she agrees with me. Here, the agreement between she and me has been indicated by with. Are you with me? Here, with shows the understandings. Yes, I am completely with you. Here again it shows agreement. So, these were the 5 basic rules of preposition with. Now, let's summarize it. To indicate being together or being involved. I ordered sandwich with a drink. It indicates agreement or understanding. She agrees with me. It indicates feelings. He emailed me with sincere apology. It indicates having. I met a guy with green eyes. It also indicates using. He cut my hair with his gold scissors. Now use preposition with confidence. Hope you will have liked the lecture. Thank you.